Oh, that's the stuff. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. I'm very excited because today Rin is with us and he is just the best boy. He hasn't been in the last few videos because he has been going to work with my fiance at our vintage store and he's just the best darn door greeter you ever did see. He also has security. I mean, just vicious. Who would try to rob us with him on the clock? Today we're going to be doing an unboxing that we haven't done in a while, at least I think. I mean, who knows really? And that is this box right here. We have the Alltrue spring box. It used to be called Cause Box, like, you know, back in the day. Of course it is smooshed on the edges because of course it is. I'm not sure if I ever have received a non-smooshed box. Also, I look like my couch. We match pretty spot on. We look like twinsies. This box is supposed to come with full size, like lifestyle, beauty, home kind of things, and I think it's like $49 and some odd cents every single season, but we can't be too sure about that, you know. There are about 700 reasons I didn't join the quick recall team, and my ability not to be able to quickly recall things is one of them. What is that? Oatmeal. I might have made some microwave oatmeal for dinner. The items here are supposed to be sustainable, socially conscious, and you're supposed to get up to $250 or more of value, and the boxes are $49.95, so I was pretty close. And you can get like a wide range of things in here, so I am excited to see what came inside of the spring box. And look what I found! We don't have to use the nail clippers anymore. The beekeeping tool, the J-hook, otherwise known as the long lost member of BTS. The first item inside the box is this little magazine that comes with it. It should tell you about all the items inside of the box, and then it looks like there's some coupons here in the back. Remember when I said this was for spring? Okay, so technically this is actually the winter box, but it's still winter, right? There were snow flurries the other day. That counts. But if you don't want to watch anymore, I totally understand. Alright, so with every Alltrue box, you get a little postcard in here, and it comes with art from the artist who they collabed with for the box. And this one is a very pretty little postcard. The art style is kind of cool, and I'm liking the more muted tones and things. That's really cute. Ooh, okay, so the very first thing I'm seeing in here is definitely something for winter. It's a beanie. Probably one of the more wintry beanies that I've ever seen. We got a nice little like fluff ball here on the top, and the fabric itself that it is like knitted out of looks kind of like chenille-y. I honestly don't know if that is what that material is called, but I've always called it chenille. It's like a very almost fuzzy looking type of yarn, like sweaters and stuff get made out of it a lot. This is from the brand Jules K. I just realized that my autofocus was off, so sorry if everything's been fuzzy this entire time, but probably not as fuzzy as the little ball on top of this hat. It does look like it has been squished down a little bit, but this is vegan approved, so it's not real fur. It took me like 30 minutes to part my hair to make it look like I had some, so I'm not gonna push this down on my head all the way. I'm gonna wear it kind of like a limp Santa hat. It's just a very nice hat. I'm sure it'll keep your head nice and toasty here in, you know, the end of February, the beginning of March. It also looks like it has a decent stretch to it. Like that's a pretty, you know, wide berth. What a terrible way to explain that. It's a pretty big hole. Don't know if that's much better. But I feel like my head could actually fit inside of here, and my head doesn't fit into many things because it's quite large. So that is good, and it is a very nice kind of like icy gray color, so I think this is really cute. Oh, that's very heavy. I really did not expect that to be that heavy. Ooh, this seems very fancy to me. So the next thing we have in here is what an adorable brand name. This is from Woolseys, and there is a precious little sheep up there that is their mascot. I think that is super cute. This is a set of laundry and linen sprays. Anything that's like linen sounds just so elegant to me. Like, oh yes, we put our towels in the linen closet. We set our table with linens before we have our tea. You know, that kind of thing. But anyway, if you have linens or just, you know, regular laundry or bed sheets, this is a spray set that is supposed to make them smell really nice. So we have one in the scent Still Breeze, Citrus Clean, Petal Fresh, and they're supposed to freshen and deodorize your laundry and your linens. And they're made out of essential oil blends, and they don't have like a bunch of toxins and stuff, so that seems really, really nice. They also come in really nice glass spray bottles, and they're super heavy feeling, so it feels like these are pretty high quality. Let's go ahead and give them a little sniff and see if they smell good. I'm a little bit nervous about that Petal Fresh one though. I feel like there's a chance it might smell like rose stank. Alright, so the first one here, Petal Fresh. Yeah. Yeah, there's definitely a fair amount of rose scent in there. It does smell like there are some other like blends of flowers, but I'm getting a strong scent of rose. Next up we have the Still Breeze one. It looks like this one's gonna be very lavendery. Ooh, that one smells really nice actually. It does smell very lavendery, but there's some other notes in there as well. It says that it also has jasmine in it. Then finally, the one that I think I'm gonna like the most is the Citrus Clean scent. It is supposed to smell of lemon, orange, and lemongrass. Which I don't really know what lemongrass is, but it smells good. Oh my goodness. Still somehow managing to be sick. That is incredibly strong of citrus scent. It is very like bright, kind of invigorating. A little like pine solly, but kind of in a good way. I don't know. I really like this. This is a scent that I want my house to smell like. It smells very clean. I feel like your bath towels would smell excellent with this. That's something I just never knew that I needed. I never knew that I needed to fragrance my bath towels. But here I am like, oh my goodness, my bath towels. They haven't smelled like lemon all these years. You know how just a second ago I mentioned that like I'm still somehow sick? Well, I went to the doctor and was like, hey, I've been sick for a long time. So she gave me 2 different prescriptions. One was a Z-Pack to get rid of like my sinus infection, and the other one was a steroid to get rid of the whatever was making my lungs wheezy. She told me to take the steroid and she was like, if you don't get better within a couple of weeks, there's a chance it's a blood clot. And I'm like, oh, perfect. Thank you so much for that. But she did also tell me that the steroid would make me hot, hungry, and angry. And I don't like being any of those 3 things. So I put off taking it for a couple of days until my fiance forced me to. And currently right now, my face feels like it's on fire. And the only thing I can think it is the steroid is just making me hot, just like she said it would. Okay, anyway, I don't know what that random rant, that little bit of just like non-necessary bit of information was. Let's go ahead and move on to the next items here, which first I thought they had sent me 2 identical things, but they are a little bit different. Oh, okay, so apparently we have a hand cream and a foot cream here. This is from the brand Natura Echoes, and this is a castana little set of cream for your hands and your feet. Oh, the tubes are metal. Oh, this foot cream tube feels amazing. Oh, that's the stuff. Oh yeah. Okay, anyway, the tubes are made of metal, which I do really like that. I always like when you get like cool metal tubes. These are supposed to have, oh, okay, so this one has a 98% natural origin, whereas this one only has a 97% natural origin, so. But on the front it says, we are vegan, we use fair trade, biodiversity ingredients from the Amazon, we work with local communities to keep the forest standing. So that is really cool. You get 2.6 ounces of product in both of these. Oh, it has like a nice, almost kind of almondy scent to it a little bit. It's not very strong, not very overpowering. It smells kind of like a naturally type scent. The next thing that I'm seeing here is from Karma Naturals. Oh, it's nail polish. That's exciting. I'm not sure if I've ever tried a natural nail polish before. It says that it's all about health, happiness, and caring for the environment. It is cruelty-free, vegan, non-toxic. That is supposed to nourish your nails with style. I'm very interested in seeing what the colors are. So the first one we have here, ooh, okay. We have like a very pale, kind of like baby lilac purple. It is very, very light and pastel. It is really cute though. I feel like pastels are super popular right now, or at least from like the 3 fashion TikToks I've seen recently. Everybody's out there wearing cute pastel while I'm wearing couch color. Ooh, okay, so this goes a little bit better with like my couch color kind of vibe here. So we have a very kind of like cranberry reddish shimmer polish, and it's not like a chunky glitter polish. It almost looks more of like a chrome or something. No formaldehyde. That's probably always good, right? I feel like for an average person, there's probably only a couple times in your life when you're like supposed to come in contact with formaldehyde. Once in high school when they make you cut open icky stuff, and then another time. Just because it's clean and there's no formaldehyde in it doesn't mean it doesn't smell like nail polish. My nails are looking awful. They were looking pretty good there for a while, but they have been breaking off quite a bit recently. But I'm gonna go ahead and try this light purple just to see what kind of coverage it gives. Alright, so it isn't super opaque coverage, but I do think with a couple of coats it could definitely be built up to be a very nice looking color. The red actually covers a little bit better, but I think I like this light purple shade better for fingernails. But both of them I think are pretty cute, and I like them. Oh, how pretty! The next item in here comes comes in a really pretty box. This is from Vadom, India, and it's a little set of signature tea blends. There's an English breakfast and an India's original. I just think the box itself and the artwork on it is just really, really pretty. I like that a lot. And I know somebody who loves tea, my mom, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and pass this along to her. All right, I think we have me coming up here to the last product inside of the box. Oh, that's actually very convenient. I was just talking about wanting to start doing yoga, which is the same thing I've been saying for like the past 4.5 years. So we're maybe getting closer now. We got a yoga mat. Not that I didn't already have a yoga mat that I bought from Amazon and never even unrolled in my closet right now. But this one's different, so maybe it'll entice me a little bit more to get going on the yoga. This yoga mat's actually like a little bit different than the ones I'm used to seeing. Like the ones I'm used to are kind of like thick and foamy, but this one's fairly thin actually. This is from the brand Yoon Yoga. This is a super grip non-scuff suede foldable yoga mat. I'm assuming they don't mean like actual suede, like leather, like a suede leather yoga mat. That doesn't sound very appealing for some reason. I can't tell what this picture is. Is that a skeleton or like a crawfish? Oh no, it's just tie-dye. Okay, I thought there was like some like alien life form, or I thought this was a crawfish claw right here. But fun, yeah, I think it is cute. I do really like tie-dye stuff. It is 72 by 24, so it is a nice big size. All right, so that is everything that I received in my box. I'm gonna go through here and see if they have pricing for you guys so I can get you all a value. Oh wow. Oh, okay. Well, I do think there is an option to customize your Alltrue box, or I feel like at least there used to be. I did not do any customizations. Fortunately, it seems like there's a lot of stuff in here that I would have really liked to have had if I did do customization. Like there's a fluffy throw blanket that I could have put with the rest of my fluffy throw blankets and just had more fluffy throw blankets. Anywho, so the items that I did actually get, the yoga mat is $85. That is a very expensive yoga mat. The tea set is $40, and it looks like the actual teas come in little tins. So that's pretty cute. I like how they are packaged. There was a luxury anti-aging skincare set that was $232. That wasn't in my box. That certainly was not in my box. The little fuzzy ball beanie was $48. The hand and foot cream duo was $36. The nail polishes were $21.99. The laundry and linen spray set is $16.99. So I'm feeling like my box was probably a little bit on the less valuable side than some of the other boxes that could have been created. Let's do a little math here, and by that I mean I'm gonna speak it into my phone and maybe it'll do it for me. Okay, so that brings my total retail value to $247.98. So it does actually fall just like a tiny bit short of the $250 value that they do promise, which is like the minimum value that you can get. You can get upwards of more of that, especially if you get a $230 skincare set as just one of your items. It looks like I might have made the mistake. You know, it still actually kind of works because it's on me. Yeah, I made the mistake of not customizing my box, and I feel like I might have missed out on a little bit of value by doing that. Maybe people who don't customize, they just kind of send them just the rest. Whatever the people who customize don't pick, everybody else just gets the rest. I do think you might have to be an annual member to customize, which I am an annual member, so I definitely could have picked out some of the stuff myself if I would have checked my email, I'm sure. But definitely, if you have the option to customize, I would. This was one of my least favorite boxes I think that I've ever received from Alltrue. It just really wasn't my favorite. It wouldn't be things that I would pick out for myself if I had the choice. Nail polishes are fine, but I have like a ton of different creams for every part of the body. I don't really wear hats, to be fully honest. I'm not really a tea drinker, so that's going to be given to my mom, so it's a good thing that I've been talking about taking up yoga for 4.5 years because now I have a yoga mat. If I do want to get any like value or use out of this box, I am going to finally have to start doing yoga. So let me know what you thought about this box. Did you get this box yourself? Did you like the items you got? Anything you guys want to let me know, just leave them down below in the comments. And if you wouldn't care to give this video a like, it does really help out the video. So yeah, just thank you guys so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!